All right, friends, it is moving day. It is moving day. It is moving day. In fact, so much so that the movers are about to pull up, and I wanted to get an empty-ish house tour for y'all before they get here and start loading things into the house. We have loaded some things, but not a ton. We've loaded like my clothes. We did that. And just some other random stuff, like stuff that we could pack in cars. And then the movers are coming with all the big stuff. And then we still have a lot of stuff that we can move from that house to this house in cars. But anyways, nonetheless, today is moving day. Tonight will be our first night in this house, and we are going to show you the empty house tour, and then we'll keep you guys updated as we unpack, as we undecorate, as we decorate, and make this house a home. So let's check it out. All right, so here's the front door and the little walkway. So let me turn this way. You're coming into the house from the front door, and this is your view. As you can see, we have some stuff in here. The dog is in here also. It's her first time here. What you think, Chaos? What you think, Buzz? Come here. Oh yeah, what you think, good girl? All right, so then you turn this way, and there is a bathroom in here with some shelves. Let me see if I can turn the light on. There is a toilet with a bidet. Okay, that's cool. And then this is considered a bedroom, but this is going to be my office because this house doesn't have like a separate office space. So I'll be turning this whole bedroom into my office with a closet, and it looks out the front of the house. Let me expand it. There you go. So you can see there's that bedroom. Then we turn this way, and here is the kitchen. Like I said, we've brought some stuff in here. Our other house doesn't have Wi-Fi, and this one does, so we've been hanging out here. So we have some stuff. Here is the super nice kitchen. I love the white and gray. Very minimal design. A fridge with an ice maker that works. If you know, you know. A pantry. Some lights set up already. There's Boothang. Say hi.
Hello.
She hasn't seen the backyard yet. Let's see what Chaos thinks of the backyard. She's not too sure. Make sure that side gate's closed. I'll do it. What you think, mamas? Yep, it is. So the backyard's nice. It has this little runway right here. And then it's an enclosed gate all the way around. Hallelujah fence, sorry. But it's enclosed, which makes me so happy because our last one, was metal, like rods. And it was just so annoying because she would bark at every person, everything. Oh, every bird. The wind just scared her. Oh. What you think, mama? What you think, big girl? We gotta go get Coco still. Coco couldn't fit in the car, and she has a kennel still at that house, but her kennel had to be in the mover's truck, so she got to come with me. What you think? I know. She happy. I can tell her and Coco are gonna lay on this thing. We're gonna have to get an outdoor dog bed for them, and they will love the sun hitting them. All right, let's go back inside. So then this is a little outdoor, we have this outdoor area. Our hot tub is gonna go right here. And then this is really cool because these enclose and zip. So this can all be enclosed, which is really cool. And then we're gonna have our grill on here. And maybe even, there might be room for a little table and chairs right here too. So, back door. I'm out of breath, guys. Okay, so we have these windows. Let's actually open them to give us some natural lighting going on. Here we go. Try not to move the camera too much for y'all and make you dizzy, or at least move it slowly-ish. Okay, so standing at the back door, this is going to be our living room area. So my sectional will go here, and then a big old TV right there. And then obviously this part of the room, I'll have like a little dining table with some chairs. These chairs were something the landlord left. that we can keep or not. So then kitchen, front door, we turn this way. We have the garage there. And this is a laundry room, just a basic laundry room. Handsome man included in the house. Okay, and then bedroom is this way. We got a new mattress in yesterday and the lighting was not for that type of video. It was to review the bed. I love the flooring in this house so much. It's all gray toned, so we're changing up our entire decor. And then here is the bathroom. You can tell we've already been using it. So, oops, bathroom, toilet. Okay, and then look at this massive shower. And then it gets so hot. We've already tested it out. It gets so hot. It turns the whole area into a steam room. It's literally so amazing. And then the closet. Most obviously, this is not organized. This is just, we brought it in and put it somewhere. But clothes, and then my shoes will get stacked up there. His shoes over there. All right, let's move on to upstairs. All right, so the stairs, you go up and then turn. It reminds me a lot of the Arizona house. If you guys seen that house tour, and then it goes up like this. Let me walk up these stairs and catch my breath. Okay, so we're at the top of the stairs and I caught my breath. Then you turn this way and it has this big open area. This is gonna be the game room area. I don't know if she's ever went upstairs before. Goofball. Okay, so this is a professional, really nice pool table with the pool things. This is gonna be like the game area. Then down the hallway, we have just a regular closet here. This is the only bathroom upstairs. So it's this huge one. Hey friends. This is my moving day outfit, nice and loose and comfy. Nice bathtub. Another bidet. And then we have the 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3. So it's 5 bedrooms total. This one, I don't know if it's gonna be the nursery or the reptile room. I think he's putting, yeah, he has reptile stuff in here. I think, well anyways, here's one room, big empty room. This will probably be animal jungle room. There's the jungle room. This is Kingston's room. This one's the biggest of the 3. This one looks out to the front of the house and has a big old closet. Oh, he already put up his shoes. Cool. Big old closet. And then, like I said, the 3rd bedroom right here. Nursery room. They're about the same size. This one just has more natural light coming in, but I can always have a blackout curtain to block it out. Alrighty, friends. That is everything from upstairs. Well, there you have it. There's our new house. Super excited. It's definitely a downsize in space from the other house, but I feel like it'll be much more usable. Don't you agree? Like, we had so much space that wasn't used. This house has more than enough space, and I'm really excited to make it more homey and decorate. And I'm excited that I get to change up all the decor. Like, that means shopping. Are you excited for me to shop and change up the decor? He loves my shopping addiction. He just loves it. Anyways, thanks for watching our house tour. We will see you guys later. Stay tuned because I'm gonna decorate and I'm gonna vlog about it. And he's gonna make me be a clean person. So I'm gonna also make videos of me cleaning and learning like cleaner habits, right? Yeah, he's so excited. All right, guys, love you. Bye.